Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Emily. I'm going to show you guys a quick recipe to detox your body for weight loss. So we have ginger, beets, lemon, chia seeds, and we're going to use 2 cups of water. So beets are really low in calories and they are high in fiber, which can help you feel full longer and also reduce your calorie intake. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly folate and manganese. Beets are high in nitrates, which can improve your blood flow, enhance exercise performance, and aid in weight loss. So ginger is also it has great thermogenic properties that can help increase metabolism and fat burning. It also helps reduce feelings of hunger and you feel fuller for a longer period of time. Ginger also helps with digestion, which is kind of how you help with your weight loss. Lemon, as we know, is a great detoxifier. It helps flush out toxins and reduce water retention. If you're someone that feel like you're always bloated, you feel like you're retaining water, so definitely lemon is a good thing to add with your daily water intake. It also has vitamin C that can boost metabolism and aid fat burning, and plus lemons are low in calorie. The other ingredient is flax seeds. So I already bought the one that was already blended in the store or grind or however you want to call it. If you have the seeds, you can blend it at home and use the powder form. I'm just showing you guys it's low in carbohydrates and high in protein and fiber. So flaxseed are very high in fiber, and which helps control your appetite and promotes feeling of fullness. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are like the good fats. It helps reduce inflammation and improve your metabolic health. It also stabilizes your blood sugar, especially those that are diabetic. So these are all the amazing benefits of ginger, flax seeds, lemon, and beets. This, or you put them together. If you're on any weight loss journey, this will definitely do the trick for you. So like you guys see, I use 1 lemon, a small medium beet, and I use ginger. I don't know if that's how many inches that, 4 inches. You can add as much or as less as you want, but at least put a good size of ginger and 2 cups of water. So you blend everything and strain it out. You can use a cheesecloth. I'm just using my sieve here because I don't want it to be too watery either. And so once I strain that, I use the chaff as a snack. So with the chaff, you can add it in a smoothie, you can add it in yogurt, but don't throw it away. And again, it's a good snack because it's low in calorie. You already squeeze out, everything out of it. So it's just extra chaff to add in your smoothie. So for what I do is after I strain it, I usually drink it 1 cup at nighttime. So go ahead and pour the juice from your 1 lemon, mix it at nighttime. This will be the last thing you eat or drink. So pour a cup in your tea cup there or coffee cup, and then I add 1 teaspoon of chia seed. You can add as much if you want. If you want a really good bowel movement in the morning, then you could add maybe 1 tablespoon or 2. But I put 1 teaspoon in there, mix it up, and then drink it, and that's it. I hope this is helpful. Try it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. If you have other good recipes, also let me know in the comment section. Again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.